All right, study buddy, let's get into it. You ever feel like you're talking to a brick wall? A really smart brick wall, but still, story time. A strategist asks their AI to analyze a new market trend, right? They wanted to use a specific framework they talked about like weeks ago. So the AI scours the entire web and completely whiffs. Has no memory of their chat, totally misses the mark. Well, today, we're going to fix that. We're building an AI that doesn't just search, it remembers.
Does that sound a little too familiar? Yeah, I thought so. This is a classic, frustrating case of what I call AI amnesia. You have this amazing, deep conversation. You set up all the context, and then a few days later you come back and poof, it's all gone. It's like you're talking to a complete stranger every single time. The AI just gives you a generic answer because it's forgotten every single thing you've already taught it. And this whole frustrating loop comes down to what we call one-shot interactions. See, standard AI in most search systems, they have zero contextual continuity. They treat every single question you ask as if it's the very first time they've ever heard from you. They have access to all the world's information literally at their fingertips, but they can't remember that one crucial detail you told them just yesterday. But hey, we're not here just to complain about the problem, right? No way. Level up, study buddy. We're here to build the solution. It's time to upgrade our agents from these simple, forgetful tools into intelligent, actually reliable partners. And the answer, my friend, is Memory-Augmented Retrieval. Now, what is that? Well, it's all about fusing an AI's long-term persistent memory with the raw power of retrieval-augmented generation. RAG. For anyone new to it, RAG is basically what lets an AI pull in real-time data from the web to answer your questions. So by smashing memory and RAG together, we're literally creating the cure for AI amnesia. So how does this magic actually happen? How do we fuse this memory and retrieval to build something so much smarter? Let's get into the mechanics. It's basically a three-step dance. First, when you ask a question, the agent dives into its episodic memory. That's the specific stuff, the details and constraints from all your past conversations. Then it taps into its semantic memory. This is often a knowledge graph, which is kind of like a brain for the AI, helping it understand how different facts in your past decisions are all connected. And only after it has that full context from memory does it go out and fetch live data with a way smarter, way more precise query. See? The memory refines the search before it even starts. And here's the crucial takeaway. We're moving beyond just finding stuff. An AI with memory doesn't just find information for you. It knows what information is actually relevant to you based on your shared history. And that is the real game changer. Just think about it like this. It's like having a great personal assistant. A basic search tool is like a stranger on the street, just pointing you to the library. But a memory-augmented AI, it remembers the nuances. It remembers who impressed you in that last meeting, whose input was the most valuable, and maybe who you should probably avoid next time. It has real context. And this table just nails the evolution. A standard search engine is just a tool. It's reactive, you ask, it gives you a generic, one-shot answer. A memory-augmented AI, on the other hand, is a true digital coworker. It leverages your entire history, it delivers insights that actually evolve, and it genuinely grows and adapts right alongside you. It's not just a tool anymore, it's part of the team. Okay, enough theory. The best way to really get this is to see it in action for yourself. So, I've got a question for you. Are you ready to test your agent's recall? All right, here is your mission, study buddy. Go open up your RHE system, and I want you to reference a super specific detail from a past session, maybe a budget constraint, a creative preference, anything. Now ask it to apply that old piece of information to a completely brand new document, and then watch. Does it remember? Does it connect the dots? That's the moment you're going to see it transform from just a tool into a real partner. Because that's the ultimate goal here, isn't it? We're not just building smarter search engines. We are actively transforming our static, forgetful tools into dynamic, knowledgeable, digital coworkers that help us think better and work faster, together. Hey, if this leveled up your thinking on AI, do me a favor and hit like, share, and subscribe to Study Buddy with Notebook LM. It's your daily guide to the agentic revolution. Now go on, go test your agent. Stay agentic,